Autosar. Autosar. Virtual Functional Bus. General Introduction. Relevant documents. The OEM uses different documents to describe the virtual functional bus. Let's take a look at the most important ones. The software component descriptions hold most of the information about the virtual functional bus. But additionally, the ECU topology needs to be described in the system topology and the ECU resource descriptions. For the description of the ECU software, the runtime environment is very important, because it is the realization of the virtual functional bus. The operating system and the communications are equally important. The basic software and the microcontroller abstraction layer are very important for the communication with the hardware. And the software components are described in the software component descriptions. If you want to learn more about Autosar and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.